Street is prime real estate when it comes to Madison, but some downtown height restrictions are limiting a proposed hotel.
Our Amanda Quintana is live on State Street to tell us more about plans for a hotel that are facing a few hurdles. Amanda?
Yes, well, the developers that want to create this hotel here on State Street are scheduled to be in front of the Plan Commission, making their case in about 30 minutes. Now, although that project does not technically follow the zoning rules here, a lot of people want to see it built. A $43 million hotel with 130 rooms, a restaurant, bar, and rooftop terrace could soon sit right here on State Street, filled with all things Madison.
The candle maker that's making incredible candles in her garage, or the guy that makes leather goods that we could use in the hotel and expose tourists to those incredible offerings that the city has to offer.
What's standing in front of the project? 7 to 19 feet of space.
When people look at the amount of height that we're asking for, sometimes they're surprised at how little it is relative to the context of what's around it.
The hotel developers want to remove 2 buildings here, redevelop 2 more, creating 4 stories on the State Street side and 9 stories, including a rooftop terrace, on the Dayton and Carroll side. That's where they'd be going over the zoning height limit.
The way the zoning ordinance is written, it has a very specific set of criteria that one must meet in order to be awarded the extra building height that we're asking for. And some of those criteria I would characterize as fairly subjective.
So it makes sense that not everyone agrees on if this hotel should be allowed. The Urban Design and Landmarks Commission say yes, it's not setting a precedent and won't affect the area's historic character and integrity. Now tonight, the Planning Commission will make their assessment before the idea goes to the council. Ahead of the meeting, planning staff recommending against it because it doesn't meet those height limit rules. But with that issue, developers can't budge.
If we had a business plan that could fit into a slightly smaller box, we would put it in a smaller box. We wouldn't wait around for 2 years trying to get it done.
Still, they're hopeful the council will see the hotel as a great addition to Madison's downtown. Now, these commissions are all making recommendations. That doesn't necessarily mean that the council has to follow them. I also spoke to the alder of the area, Mike Verveer. He says he supports the project, and he will definitely be at that meeting tonight testifying in support of it.
Amanda Quintana reporting live on State Street. Amanda, thanks.